Today I am reviewing the GMKtec Gaming Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a high-performance mini PC that's perfect for gaming, productivity, and multitasking, the GMKtec M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC is an impressive solution. Combining compact design with desktop-class power, this system is ideal for home offices, gaming setups, or professional workstations. At its core, the M6 Ultra features the AMD Ryzen 7640HS processor, part of AMD's Phoenix product family. This upper mid-range APU has 6 Zen 4 cores and 12 threads, running at a base speed of 4.3 GHz and turbo boosting up to 5.0 GHz. With a TDP of 45-60W, it delivers excellent energy efficiency while providing a 30% performance increase over previous generation Ryzen 7640HS or 6600U processors. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running intensive applications, the Ryzen 7640HS ensures smooth and responsive performance. This mini PC comes with 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD, providing fast multitasking, quick boot times, and sufficient storage for games, media, and work files. The system supports RAM expansion up to 128GB and SSD upgrades up to 8TB via dual PCIe slots, giving you plenty of flexibility for future-proofing your setup. For graphics, the M6 Ultra utilizes the Radeon 760M iGPU, which features 8 compute units running at up to 2600 MHz. This graphic solution can handle moderate gaming at stable frame rates, and it also supports hardware encoding and decoding for popular video codecs, including AV1, HEVC, and AVC. Whether you're streaming UHD content, editing videos, or playing games, the integrated GPU delivers smooth visuals and reliable performance. Connectivity is robust. The mini PC features dual NIC-LAN 2.5GB for ultra-fast wired internet, ideal for gaming, file transfers, or even as a small server. Wireless connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring low latency and high-speed connections for all your peripherals, including keyboards, mice, and headsets. One of the standout features of the M6 Ultra is triple display support. You can connect 3 monitors simultaneously, including 8K at 60Hz via USB 4 and 4K at 60Hz via both HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort, making it perfect for productivity setups, multitasking professionals, or immersive entertainment environments. The system also includes a versatile array of ports: 3x USB 3.2 Gen 2, 1x USB 2.0, 1x HDMI 2.0, 1x USB 4, PD/DP/data, 1x DisplayPort, 1x 3.5mm audio jack, and DC power input. This makes it easy to connect multiple monitors, external drives, and other peripherals for a complete workstation experience. Despite its compact size, the GMKtec M6 Ultra remains quiet, energy efficient, and reliable, delivering consistent performance without the bulk of a traditional desktop. GMKtec also backs this mini PC with a 1-year limited warranty and dedicated after-sales support, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. In summary, the GMKtec M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC Ryzen 7640HS is a powerhouse in a small package. With Ryzen 7 class performance, DDR5 memory, high-speed NVMe storage, triple display support, and advanced connectivity options, it's an ideal solution for gamers, professionals, and creative users who demand performance without sacrificing space. Compact, fast, and versatile, the M6 Ultra proves that mini PCs can deliver serious desktop-level power.